Hi everyone! Just came back from the market and it's already 12 o'clock. I haven't have a breakfast, so I'm going to make my brunch now. So I will have noodles soup. The water is now boiling, so I'm going to put the rice noodle. This is a rice noodle. Let it boil. And I also fry dumpling, Korean dumpling. Parang malayo ano? You cannot see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to fry the dumpling. Hindi pala mainit yung mantika. Kanina ko pa inilagay yung mantika. I think that will be enough. I add one more. I will have 5 pieces of fried dumplings. So okay, the rice noodle now is done, and I'm just gonna add the flavor. This is abalone flavor. It has a ready-made flavor, so I do not need to add something. Then I'm just gonna add water in it. And also this one is fried preserved vegetable and pork. And I'm gonna add here. And I also have 1 egg, boiled egg. Then I add water, boiling water, the water that I used to boil the noodles. So when I eat, I will just stir it and mix together the ingredients. So I'm going now to... Ayan ng aking lunch breakfast. Samahan niyo ako at kakain na tayong lahat.